this video I'm going to share with you my personal experience with the Frankfurter Brett, the cutting board, from unpacking to daily use and cleaning. I am Anja from the Agadowski Lifestyle blog, where I share easy and inspiring do-it-yourself home decoration tips and recipes so you can create something new, something that is you.
Oh, I was really excited when the package arrived, especially because I did not expect it to arrive the very next day. Everything was packed nicely and solid. I went with the model basic walnut container set M1, the so-called chef's choice, and the total cost was €231.80.
The extendable brackets are easy to attach and the containers fit in perfectly, so all in all pretty solid. I initially had a different place in mind, but due to the containers I needed to avoid places in my kitchen where there are drawers with handles under it. I couldn't open it anymore, so I changed the position. In my case I was lucky. I love my new area, I have way more space, but you should keep that in mind and check out the measurements up front to avoid situations where you can't open the kitchen drawers. The board is not moving thanks to the silicone rings at all, which improves a lot your cooking experience in comparison to any standard cutting board. Nevertheless, keep an eye on the rings when you move the chopping board from one place to another or to a different room, as they might fall. Yes. Well, at least the cutting area and the area from the cut vegetables to the hot pan is way cleaner. So it's really easy to separate the food waste from the cut ingredients, and the cut ingredients you simply take and slide them into the container in front of you. I love the sliding moment. It makes me feel like a starship. The board itself has a simple design and no fine design engravings, which makes it really easy to clean with a simple cloth. So the Frankfurter Brett promises you basically to separate the cut ingredients from the food waste, so your cooking area stays clean. It looks professional, it is chic, made out of wood, handmade, and this is basically how they made me purchase their product. The big question: do I recommend the Frankfurter Brett? From friend to friend? Yes, totally. I know the price is not low, but I truly believe that this was for me a life purchase. It really changed my kitchen behavior and makes it more clean, fun and organized. I know the price is not low, but I'm not here to question the price of natural resources such as wood, the handwork and the unique idea the twins from Frankfurter Brett obviously had. So if this is in your price range, then I totally recommend it. I've never regretted it and I'm having every day so much fun.